Last week I had issues handling certain JSON strings returned from the GitHub API. From experimenting, I discovered that these returned JSON strings were JSON arrays. Currently, Unity's JSON utility does not support JSON arrays. To work around this, I need to directly wrap the returned JSON array and also wrap the root object class describing the JSON string into a separate container containing a list of the root object. Upon completing this, I was finally able to return all the commits from a user repository. I have now created a program which generates fractal trees entirely off a given user's repo. The application firstly requires the user to log in using their GitHub account. User credentials are then checked against the API using basic authentication, which is highlighted in this code snippet here. If user credentials are valid, they are then prompted to authorize the application, if not having already done so. The OAuth token created for this application enables the application to work with basic user information, as well as user repository information. Having authorized and logged in, all the repositories which the authorized user owns are then listed. Repositories returned are both private and public, this being possible with the generated access token for the application. Users can select repositories listed. Doing so generates a fractal tree, with each branch on the tree resembling a particular commit from the repository. Returning all commits from a particular repo requires the wrapper trick discussed earlier. A standard call to the commits API only returns the last 30 commits. To overcome this, I've used my GitHub wrapper API to pull down all the commits from every contributor to a particular repo, and then use the accumulative amount to retrieve all the commits from the API, using this call illustrated here. Selecting a branch on the fractal displays commit information, such as the committer and the commit message. Alongside this, I've also added controllable parameterization to the fractals generated, allowing the users to control the branch spread and randomness of a tree.